Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by locking down the essentials: a macro lens or extension tubes, a sturdy tripod, and a remote shutter so camera shake disappears. Once set, pick a plain subject, coin, leaf, small flower, and frame tightly to learn focus behavior. Make sure to use steady light. LED or flash gives consistent exposure and reduces motion blur. You'll learn depth of field, working distance, and focus technique fast if you shoot deliberately. Review each frame and adjust aperture or lighting immediately to improve. You now refine how and why focus and lighting matter. Switch to manual focus and use live view magnification to land critical sharpness. Tiny movements change the plane of focus. Once done, practice focus stacking. Move focus a hair between shots to cover more depth, then combine images later. Make sure to diffuse your light and add small reflectors to fill shadows. Lower ISO to maintain clean detail. This combination controls contrast, reveals texture, and gives the crisp look macro requires. You finish by merging, cleaning, and delivering a final image. Load focus bracketed frames into stacking software, align and blend them, then retouch dust spots and chromatic aberration. Make sure to correct white balance and crop for a tight, impactful composition while preserving resolution. If results are soft, troubleshoot. Check for vibration from tapping, use a faster shutter or mirror lockup, and reduce step size between focus frames. When you fix those, your macro photos will gain clarity and punch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.